Okay, hello everyone. This is Zach here from XIFU. Just want to do a quick sound check. Okay, is my sound's coming okay by typing a 1 for me. All right, if you are here with me this morning, type a 1 for me, okay, to ensure my sound and screen is working. And again, just do a quick disclaimer over here. This section here, I'm not doing any buy and sell call. So if you want to trade any stock based on our discussion this morning, make sure you got your own trading plan, all right, or get advice from professional. Okay, I think yesterday also I share, I do exit some stock with losses. Okay, so definitely I have losses. When market's bad, I have plenty of losses. All right. So now that's what we do. Okay. We want to look into any opportunity in the market that we have. If let's say we feel that something is not right, this is why I do. Okay. Just exit from the market. Okay. Thank you, Joel. Hey, Wong. Good morning. Yeah, I realized also you didn't join for some times and been quiet also. Okay, I guess you are busy lah. But again, market is not that so-called active, okay, lately for I think 2 week plus already, right? So it's a good time, probably rest for a while and then we look into the portfolio. Okay, but unfortunately I tied up quite a lot of stocks. Actually for this round, yes, it's a pullback for me. Okay, mid this Saturday. Yeah. Oh yeah, I actually forgot to send out the confirmation. I'll send out later, but I saw your name actually. Okay, thank you for your support. But like I say, this round actually, I don't think there is a major weakness in the chart. So that's why if you ask me like ECMO, I'm still holding. Rand Hill, I'm still holding. Opstar, okay, I'm still holding for some time already. Some stock actually I forgot like CloudPoint. Grab Tech yesterday a good closing. I'm quite surprised. Okay, Kobe, NGGB, Benelux recently I just entered. So all this actually I'm still holding. In fact, if you ask me, I don't see any major weakness. Okay, yes, they retest to support, but it's on a very very healthy volume. Okay, now the other one that I exit is Binacom. Binacom yesterday I think I exit somewhere around here 270. Okay, it's a 5-6% of losses. Okay, but looks like they close at 40 MA. Probably going to monitor for a few more days before I decide to re-enter again. All right, on Binacom. Okay, closing wise not too good. Okay, sorry, it's not that I cannot say not too good. Okay, it's not the strongest closing for Binacom, but not too bad. Okay, at least they are pushing back to the 40 MA. Okay, so I think yes, Binacom probably I still will watch out. Okay, let's see how it goes these few days. Probably I also want to keep a little bit of cash also, because today also very crucial, right? Yesterday we got lots of hammer. Hopefully you all know what is hammer. Okay, hammer is like that. A small body with a tail. Okay, yesterday someone asked me in the group. They says that if let's say close at 275, this one consider hammer or not? Okay, if not mistaken. But for me, this is not a hammer. Okay, a good hammer. Normally it shows that okay the body is around 1/2. I think 1/3. Okay, I think I explained this in one of the sections. The tail is at least 2/3. Okay, so this is a good hammer for me, which means the closing is strong toward the end. All right, it shows that people are still keen, okay, to support, okay, this so-called uptrend or maybe this pullback. Okay, so for me, this is not the strongest. Again, we want to see what is going on today. So this one actually I just spotted this morning. I don't have any oil and gas stocks. I'm not sure. Probably I would like to see maybe try one. So because this one also they close this gap already previously and looks like break above this resistance. This is a bit of this false breakout. Okay, false breakout with a shooting star, quite high volume. But yesterday the hammer actually is quite good, high volume as well. All right, and today closing up. Okay, today so far no volume yet. Okay, but I'll see around like 3 or 4 p.m. because sometimes like that. Okay, sometimes no volume. That's why yesterday most of my stock I didn't really gonna shake out. Okay, because why? If you realize the morning, right? Yesterday morning mostly dropped. Okay, it didn't come with high volume. Okay, Binacom it actually dropped with volume around 4 p.m. So that's why I feel a bit uncomfortable exit. But some of the counter, if let's say you look at ECMO Kobe even some counters they drop on spot it can't point if I'm not mistaken. Morning actually they drop below volume. Okay, so again another things to you want to monitor is the stocks really drop, okay, or maybe they got chance to reverse back. Okay, so normally I see low volume, I tell myself, okay, maybe come a little bit, we'll wait until afternoon section. Okay, sometimes they will push back up a little bit one. Okay, so let's say goes up below volume, I also takut. Okay, because opposite, right? Sometimes they will have morning, they try to push a little bit, then towards the end of the day, they try to take profit. Okay, so maybe that's why I would like to do this general 3 to 4 p.m. most of the time. Okay, 3 to 4 p.m. Okay, Great I out all with DoFu too. DoFu I didn't enter. Like Great I'm still holding, but that's for my little bit long term one. This round more into construction. Holding EcoWest, SPCT, MLCB, UMS. Yeah, I think construction is the one that I miss also, and property. Okay, so I think Simprop today this morning very strong. Gabungan AQRS very strong as well this morning. I got a little bit of cash right now. Like I said, maybe I also consider a little bit of property construction. If let's say they have a move up yet. Oil and gas, this one try me also. I don't have any, so maybe I'll look into that later on. Okay, I want to take Emula Salcon. Okay, I'll look into bond counter also. EcoVest, SP Setia, and MRCB, UEMS. Faja, yeah, I think Faja also nice. I think Faja is property, right? I I don't have a good fundamental on stock one. I think Inta also. Inta, is it property or construction? I can't recall. I think Inta also very strong also. The other one that I heard is Evin. Evin, I heard also they said with Jalan. Oh yeah, Benelec. Benelec I ada. Okay. Let's see. Okay, let's try my Benelec first. Benelec, this is something that sometimes I need to rely on my fundamental analysis, company info. Yeah, this is construction. Okay. And this one, if I'm mistaken, got a little bit related to our new Agong also, like this counters. Okay. Again, just sharing purpose only. I'm not asking you to buy and sell. But this one heard got something. Maybe I'm not sure because of now construction property is moving. They will continue to try to go up higher as well. Okay, but they say target around 20 cent above. Should not be an issue. I'm not sure. Okay, but I entering around 160 lah. Okay, I think 160, if I'm not mistaken, did I enter 160? Okay, so yesterday I saw also low volume. Okay, around 20 MA. So that's why yeah, I feel okay at this moment. Okay, again, set your S1. Okay, this is your cut loss point, or if you have a higher risk appetite, probably you need to try out S2 as your potential support as well. Okay, so again, don't blindly enter stocks. When market drop, everything drop. Okay, so check out your risk to reward. It's very important. Okay, so there's Benelec. Okay, any other stocks that okay, I think I need to go to my stock. My stock all boring one. Okay, let's go to your stock. I think I have Joel here, Awantech. Awantech also boring already. But again, if you ask me, not much reason to sell. Okay, the only reason they break below 2040s. So again, expect the trend is weakening. Apart of that, I don't have anything to comment. This stock is just like boring. Okay, but at the same time, it's actually good for if you want to look for something more mid to long term one. Because bottom here looks like a high volume, trying to do a little bit of a change of trend as well. All right. Okay, Edaran, I'll look into Edaran. Hi Roslan. Okay, long time tak jumpa also. MIEG and AAX. Okay, AAX and MIEG also long time didn't monitor. Okay, I think the other day MIEG got pulled back, if I'm mistaken, right? So, okay, now let's go into Emulus. Okay, Emulus, this one, if let's say attend the Friday pullback class, so this is the one that normally, I cannot say they got no chance to make a follow through, but normally this one I tak sangat suka because this one will form a little bit resistance. Normally pullback, I don't like to see immediate shooting star high volume. Okay, for those that who attend Friday class, I think you should know. Of course, right now the support looks good. Okay, around the 40 MA area. Okay, so you can actually use this candle over here. I think exactly at S1. S1 currently 375 as your potential support level. Okay, so probably it still will range in the trend in this range over here. I do believe you can cross. Okay, anyway, support resistance is temporary. Okay, from time to time they will cross, by the way. But yeah, if you're entering this kind of setup, you probably need to wait for a while. Okay, so if not, always good to take some partial profit from our level. Okay, so there's ambulance for me. Overall, still in trend now, but just that the resistance is strong. So normally resistance strong, it hits ready. I think if you enter in this level, it hit R1 also pretty good profit. Okay, so lock some profit in between. So okay, now let's into Cellcon. Now Cellcon, I think Wong say having a nice pullback. Oh yes, I agree. Okay, this one I think shakeout also. Why I draw the line? I also look better. Wow. Okay, this one I have to go back to weekly chart. Okay, but never mind. We focus short term here dulu. Okay, I just erase. Probably this is based on weekly chart. Okay, I can say it's a nice pullback. Okay, but in between got high volume weird volume. Okay, good. Lucky this high volume that's why sometimes I check volume. Okay, where is this volume coming from? If let's say from resistance, I takut. But if let's say from here, I guess still okay. I guess still okay. Okay, the reasons why because this high volume cross already yesterday candle. Oh, yesterday closing also strong. Okay, even though it's a weak market yesterday. So, well, if you ask me, yes, I have one pullback completion around 40 MA. Second one also, okay, 40 MA pushing back to 20 MA. Okay, on these two signal here. Well, probably this one is for those that who want to enjoy a little bit of midterm. Okay, because here looks like temporary there's a resistance. Okay, so entering around 20 MA probably give you a little bit of low risk opportunities. Okay, so okay, let's look into EcoWest, some of the construction stocks right now. Okay, EcoWest PSD as support here. Too bad it's a bit close with the main resistance. Okay, if enter right now, definitely it's not a good risk to reward. But if you previously enter somewhere around support level with this strength signal, I think it's good. No weaknesses at the moment. Okay, I don't see any weakness. Good to hold. Okay, if let's say going into this resistance level, I think it's also good to lock some profit. Okay, if you enter somewhere around here, going to here, I believe also a good profits already. Okay, so SP Setia, let's go into SP Setia. This one I'm more interested. Okay, this one I'm more interested. Okay, because this one break resistance. Okay, this one break resistance, which is now the S1. Okay, this is the peer resistance level. They break high volume. Okay, this few day pullback. Okay, wow, 1609 but I don't sure whether they go to 160 or not. Okay, current price how much? 174. Okay lah, no need kencong first. 168 I try 168. SP Setia nice. I like this kind of setup. Break resistance, pullback. In between, of course, I think the pullback is very good. Okay, so this candle over here. Okay, again, for those that who attend Friday classes, okay, this candle here will form a nice support. 143, wow, good price, Wong. Okay, somewhere around here, I believe you entered. Oh, after the shakeout, is it? Okay, good price. Okay, so, well, let's see how it goes. But 168, okay, get on down. Today, quite strong. Okay, it's okay. No need kanchong first. Sometimes like that, morning strong, you buy already, later afternoon, it pull back. Okay, so okay, now let's look into MLCB. MLCB still in the shakeout. This one also, if let's say I miss my SP Setia pullback, come back to here. Okay, now this one, right? This one is shakeout patterns. Okay, so like I said, I promised to some of the premium user. Okay, the other day I covered pullbacks already. Last week I covered pullback courses already. Upcoming one I will consider either is I will cover pullback techniques, but I will explain in more details. Like for example, there are 3 to 4 type of pullback you need to monitor, or maybe I do shakeout. Okay, so I depend on if let's say next month we got more shakeout stocks, I cover shakeout. If we got more pullback stocks, I will call pullback. Okay, so we will see how it goes. Okay, next month. So here we got some false breakout with a shooting star high volume. So that's why there's a nice so-called shakeout happening. Okay, yesterday hammer, but not a good one. But let's see if let's say today close back to this level, is good. Okay, learn better EP from you using 2040 with pullback and shakeout. Thank you, Wong. Thank you, Wong. Okay, hopefully you all benefited. So moving forwards. All this kind of section, detailed courses, I will share it to XIFU Premium member. Hopefully, you all benefited and able to use XIFU features to do a better decision. But again, No buy and sell call. Okay, don't buy and sell call, right? So again, if you like my section over here, one thing's okay, help me to share this out, help me to click the like buttons. If can, I really appreciate if you can go to my Google's XIFU Google's page, leave a review. Okay, leave us a 5-star review. Okay, so that we can actually grow better, have more to grow our community. Okay, communities. Okay, the other one, this one remind me of Instas also. Actually, also I wanted to enter Instas. Lots of stock right now, actually. Lots of good patterns. Okay. 1 year learning from you since last year, July. Oh, yeah. I think I joined XIFU also somewhere around August. Last year, August. Almost 1 year. So fast, the time passed. Okay, Protasco. Okay, I will look into Protasco as well. Okay, so there's MLCB. Definitely worth watching. Okay, for those that who miss out EcoWest because now they are at the resistance right now. So okay, now UEMS, let's try. This one also balloon break. Yesterday going close to resistance. Okay, but okay lah, still boleh lah. Just that you have to bear a little bit lah for them to break resistance. Okay, because this one also got 2 shake up. Okay, resistance somewhere around here. Very close to resistance lah. But sometimes you lay what a bit already. It's like that. Okay, Casey looking for McLean. I'll look into McLean as well. Okay, but I think this one is okay, right? So maybe I pump my alerts around 116. UEMS 1.16. Okay, I think 1.16 should be a good area to watch out for. Okay, for UMS. Okay, let's look into Fajar. Yeah, shooting star at the top. Okay, but luckily yesterday also closed with a nice hammer. Okay, so pullback complete this candle. Okay, let's look over here. This is the pullback complete candle. Yep, exactly as S1. So this is the main support. Okay, so like I say, sometimes you can use S1 as a support level. If not, you use pullback candle. Okay, you use pullback candle as a support. Okay, like for example, over here, right? We see this candle. Is it this candle? This candle over here. But this one no pullback. This is a continuation. Normally, I like them to goes up. Okay, close to 20 MA like here. Now this is a nice one. Okay, you can use that as your support. Okay, so here resistance is there. Okay, here got some shooting star. But okay, one good thing about this, right? I think I mentioned a few times. So whenever you see shooting star, if candle hold well, trading above, not lower, okay, this is a good sign also. So for me, yes, Fajar worth watching. Just that your risk to reward is not there a little bit. So sometimes you trade on this kind of pattern, yes, your risk is slightly higher. Okay, now let's look into INTA. I think INTA also, right? Okay, INTA. Okay, again, this is the time I need to read my fundamental info. Stock info, INTA construction. Okay. INTA also belum jalan for me lah. INTA share price new high on Garuda contract. This is 6th June. Okay, this is old news. Never mind. Okay, so here, well, I got one pullback complete. This is previously. Now this is the latest one. Like I say, always use the latest pullback complete candles as a support. Okay, so here, this is the candles, right? Okay, so this is support level. Okay, best one 495 above. Okay, so today low volume lah. Again, we wait until 4 p.m. lah. Oh yeah, maybe I enter. That also not bad lah. SP Satya a bit far already. INTA 50 cents. If let's say around 4 p.m. still above 50 cents, but volume I need to be higher. I think this one is good to monitor. Okay, again, not doing buy call. So this is my S1 support. 47 cents. Okay, if let's say under 50 cents, 47 cents cut loss. So, okay, so there's your losses. Okay, so if let's say you cannot take it, don't follow. Okay, so I prepare to exit if let's say it fail to hold. Okay, so there's INTA, I think overall okay. IFCA MFC. Okay, I'll look into IFCA as well. Okay, let's look into Edaran. Okay, today got a lot of stocks. Good lah. Everyone is active again. Wow. Okay, this one. Wow, run so fast. This one. Oh, this one a bit similar to data. Okay, going up with sign of strength. Okay, going up with sign of strength. Now this one I have to use hourly chart already. Okay, this one I have to use hourly chart already. Now hourly chart, few things you can look into. COC. Okay, COC also something that I will cover probably September, because August I want to cover type of pullbacks and shakeout maybe. Okay, so September I'll cover COC. I also asked my team, my programmer, to see whether we can actually add pullback signal in hourly chart or not. Okay, so this is for those that who want to trade short time frame. Okay, but probably Q4 Q4 2024 this year I will add hourly chart. Okay, so right now I think they are still in pullback. I don't see any COC. Okay, COC is like that. Narrow candle, low volume. Narrow candle, low volume. Okay, so this is something that you want to monitor for ADAR. I'm not sure you're looking for entry or exit. Okay, if you're looking for entry, I will use hourly chart. Look for COC. Okay, cluster of closes. Okay, I will look for that. Okay, right now I haven't seen it yet. Okay, if you enter ready, you are looking for exit. I don't see weakness as well. Okay, but good to lock some profit if let's say you're entering somewhere around here. Okay, so there's Edaran. Let's do into MYEG. MYEG kena guna weekly chart a bit lah. Okay, resistance, main resistance. I think previously they failed to cross here. You notice here shooting star. Okay, I think my view is still the same. This is for Roslan. So here shooting star, if you look into daily chart also, there is a false breakout. Okay, so false breakout, I cannot say it's a weak candle. Okay, but sometimes what they do is that because the seller is too strong with their resistance, so what they do, they'll drop back, okay, test support, or maybe do another round shakeout, push it back. Okay, so long term, I think it's fine. Okay, long term, I think it's fine. Okay, but if you're looking for short term, mid term, this is the time that they will slowly go into the support again. Okay, to remove the seller, because here resistance seems like it's still a bit strong at the moment. Okay, now let's go into AAX. Okay, AAX, break support lah. This one also tak cantik sangat. Okay, because of this candle notice this candle. Okay, normally gaps, you got this kind of weakness slightly tak cantik sangat lah. Okay, so now let's go into weekly chart. Yalah, no setup yet lah. Okay, Rosa, I think you are still holding, right? Because you told me this is for your long-term stocks. Okay, but if you ask me, I think the daily chart is a bit weakening already. If you got profit, again, I'm not asking you to do buy, sell, call. But for me, when I see this weakening, maybe I'll lock a little bit profits. Okay, wait for them to go to the main support. Okay, I see, okay, then only look for another chance for entry again. All right, so here is a high volume. High volume normally it also means that there is a chance for them to do a change of trend. Okay, so maybe going back to here, you want to consider to do top up. Okay, you want to consider to do top up. Let's say they got sound strength. All right, so that's my opinions on AX. Okay, now let's into Protasco. Wow, long tail yesterday. Welcome, Roslan. Today pushing back. Today got volume. This one other volume. Okay, so this is a bit pullback completes for me. Pullback with hammer. Okay, pullback of few types. That's why probably for upcoming pullback section, either is that you want me to talk about shakeout. Okay, shakeout or pullback. Okay, pullback shakeout few types. Okay, the easiest one is pullback with hammer, which is happening yesterday. Okay, pullback with COC, powerful but it's very rare. Okay, I think I only spot like 1-2 very nice pullback COC, 3-4 stock in a month only. Okay, sometimes very rare. Okay, most of the time. Okay, pullback can be half pullback, can be full pullback. Okay, so again, depending on the stock movement, how they actually started to break up. Sometimes it will make a full pullback, sometimes you can make a half pullbacks. Okay, so this is something that if let's say you're interested in pullback, you need to know. Okay, there are a few type of conditions. Okay, for pullback setup to form, how it form. Okay, so that you can be prepared. Okay, well, for me, Protasco so far so good. Of course, closing above 370 and above is a good closing. Okay, it's a good closing for me. Okay, so use the 20 MA, use the 40 MA as a support. Of course, you don't want to use this support anymore. Okay, because my S1 actually also look into the hammer candles. Okay, my support actually look into hammer candle, and we usually mark at the lowest. But like I said, similar like shooting star or hammer. Okay, what I'm trying to say is that support resistance should not be a price level. It should be a zone. Okay, so of course this total zone over here is a support. This total zone over here is a resistance. So for me, 350 below is my support already. If let's say break below, your support is not that strong. Okay, support is not that strong. Okay, so there's Protasco, because sometimes the tail can be very long one. But of course, you don't use the lowest. You enter here lowest, you've sometimes already 10 over percent to 15% already. Okay, you use the low closing, the low of the hammer candles. All right. So okay, let's see any stocks that I missed out. Protasco, McLean, IFCA. Okay, I do see there's still stock coming in. Okay, I will do review for that. Okay, now McLean, there's only one thing. Okay, I don't like the resistance. Okay, I don't like the resistance. Okay, so here lah. So here, if not mistaken, Casey, the other day I think this one also come with news, right? The Singapore news, is it? See, McLean restructure. This is 9th of July. I think this is the one, McLean restructure acquisitions. So 9th of July, yeah, I think somewhere around here. 10 July. Now July, the news release goes up, and then resistance got people profit taking. Okay, so okay, if you want to enter can, but break 40 MA trouble. Break 40 MA trouble. Because usually resistance strong. Idea is that they'll make a deep shakeout. Okay, they'll push it back to here, the previous support, and then push it back again. Sometimes they do that. Okay, because a lot of people take profit at the resistance. Okay, so again, this is something that currently I don't so like. The resistance is too strong for McLean. Okay, here previously we got some selling. Miss Yo Siu Lai. I'm not sure who's that. Is the board of director maybe. Yo Liang Cheng. Okay, also sold around 111 M both of them. So this one, this is the the Singapore company I believe. Okay, Aquarius, right? 56 millions. Okay, so they bought it from here. Okay, so McLean done already. IFCA MFC, let's try. Oh, lots of pullback setups. Okay, lots of pullback setups. Yesterday also pullback completes for those that who following IFCA. Okay, current S1 or maybe S2 or 40 MA as a support. Okay, trend wise still good. Okay, trend wise for me is still good. Just that monitor the 40 MA. Okay, monitor 40 MA as a potential stop loss area. Okay, if you want to look for entry. Okay, so SZRB. Long time didn't check out AZRB. Okay, AZRB yesterday also closed with a hammer. Okay, not too bad. Okay, so this resistance also remain as your support at the moment. Okay, so I think this support here makes sense. Okay, like I said, this S1 over here, if you got hammer, you can use this zone here as a support. So anything above this hammer, I think is good. Okay, just that yes, here got a little bit of volume okay, on down bar. So maybe similar like here whenever you got shooting star, sometimes it will test few round before pops goes up. Okay, so maybe it will sideways catch up also in this range. Okay, so all right, any stock I missed out? AZRB, Pharma, Niaga, Binacom. Casey yesterday I exit already Binacom, but if let's say today close to 80 above, I think still good. Okay, I still watching see whether I want to look for entry or not. Okay, now this one Pharma Niaga shakeout stocks. Okay, yesterday closing not too bad. Of course, risk to reward wise, maybe it's not so good if you want to enter right now. Setup wise is good. Okay, now let's look into weekly chart. Okay, so if you notice over here, we got one shakeout, two shakeout. It's a bit similar like MYEG, if you ask me. Okay, it's good to do range trading from support to resistance. Okay, so if let's say resistance here, lock some profits. Okay, this level here, good to enter with low risk. Okay, so James, I'm not sure you're looking for entry or exit. If you entered PST already, I think yes, this resistance is the area that probably you want to focus for partial profit. Okay, partial profits. Okay, so let's look into Magnum. Okay, Magnum breakout the other day with high volume. Okay, gaps break exactly S2. I think possible to hit. Again, not doing buy call, just I think only. Sometimes I think also wrong one. So okay, now this S2 over here is around 1.4. Okay, 1.4. Okay. So this also nice breakout with the gap. So if you notice here, it shows a very nice strong signal with two pullback PSC over here. UOB and Maybank PSC, they say targets, but this is back to when? This is around June, okay, early of June or end of May. So they say target 1.52, okay, 1.52. Maybank I think hit already, sorry, almost hit 1.43. Okay, Maybank say 1.4, 1.34, sorry, 1.34, almost hit. So over here, I don't see any weakness. Okay, I don't see any weakness. Maybe, yeah, it will slowly go into this resistance. Yeah. As long as above 120, I think this setup here is still valid. Okay, still good. Okay, to continue to monitor. Okay, so that's Magnum. Ibraco, yeah, Ibraco cantik lah this morning, but I only saw it today. Okay, if let's say I saw it a few days ago, I might interested. Okay, so here we got one pullback completes. Okay, this is what we call full pullback. Okay, this is what we call full pullback. So that's why pullback got few types. Pullback with hammer, pullback with COC, full pullback, half pullbacks. Okay, so this is something that I will cover in the upcoming courses. So this full pullback with a shakeout as well. Okay, today, not sure looking for entry exit, but if you enter somewhere around here with these few strength signals, okay, I think still fine. Okay, enter over here, of course, it didn't give you a nice risk to reward. Okay, but if you ask me, this setup is still good. Okay, this setup is still good. Okay, so there's a quick one for Ibraco. Okay, now let's into Binacom again. I think just now I reviewed Binacom already. Like I said, I exit yesterday. Okay, but closing is good. Okay, not to say good lah. Okay, not to say good lah, but not too bad. Okay, I exit 270. Okay, around I think around 4 p.m. the time. I don't like the candle below 40 MA already, so I just exit. But it closing up. Okay, right now it's still testing into this few area. Okay, but like I say today, if let's say close 280 and above, it's good. Okay, 280 above is good. Okay, if let's say it's close to 280 or above, sideways for a few days, I probably will reconsider again for Binacom. Okay, for Binacom. Right now, I cannot tell whether it's good or not. But so far, volume low, if let's say, like I said, remain 275, 280, 280 is the best. Okay, 275 still okay. All right, to continue watch out for Binacom. Okay, I think I covered most of the stocks already. You want me to go to my pullback stocks? If yes, type 1 for me. If you want me to go to my pullback stock, if yes, type 1. Okay, if not, probably we'll close our section. You want me to go to pullback stocks? Today not bad up 6 point. Got almost 500 stock gain right now. Okay, Rostan said yes. Okay, Dayang, Kishan, MKH. Okay, let's look into this few. Okay, I use this list over here. Easy. Notion. Notion here got pullback. Okay, today going up. Okay, now this one you want to mind your mind range. So I think okay. It's holding back at S point for a long time already. Okay, and it's also supported with one so-called strength candles. Okay, Crescendo. This one got this high volume. Okay, tamau lah. But others is nicer. Sinara no volume. KSL also at JF Tech. Sorry. KSL also holding well as support for some time. This one also slow and steady type. If you prefer slow and steady type, I think KSL is a good choice. Okay. All right. JF Tech I exit already. I think last few weeks ago, if I'm not mistaken. A bit slow for me. Okay, a bit slow for me. So sometimes I need to switch. Okay. OSL, okay, I'm not sure you're looking for long term or short term. Okay, if you ask me long term wise, still okay, right? Long term wise, still okay, right? But short terms, no momentums. Okay, if you want to do for short terms tradings, holding for few weeks, less than a month, I don't see a specific patterns right now. That's why I also one of the reasons I decided to exit this one from and Sun Maiden also I decided to exit and switch to other stocks. Okay, yeah, if let's say long term they are in accumulation, but expect a long period of sideways. Okay, so that's my opinion on JF Tank. Okay, let's go back to my list. Probably I look for a few more and we end our section. Potasco just I think I review already. Hey, Dog Glove coming back. Dog Glove macam mana? Because I still got whole K plus. Okay. Oh, okay. Looks not bad. Okay. Today at R1 already. Okay, how about Hata? But K plus need to follow the 4 Taiko. For 4 Taiko didn't move, it cannot move. I also hope it can move. Then I got a little bit of profit. I exit and I go for new stocks already. Okay, K plus. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Still boring. Still boring. Okay, never mind. I guess I need to hold forward. Okay, cow point. Cow point yesterday a nice hammer. Hopefully this is a pullback complete, but today volume a bit low. Okay, need a higher volume. Okay, red tag. Red tag macam mana? Okay lah, normal lah. Okay, nothing lah. So okay, I think red tag yesterday pullback complete lah. Not to say can buy, but for those who interested one, okay, can watch out this one. Cellcon, I think just now we reviewed also, not too bad. The setups, okay, Gabongan, okay, trying to break R1. Holding. I think so far I like KSL. KSL support very, very close. Okay, Holding okay also. Respecting around the 20 MA areas. SKB Sharp. Okay, I'm looking for SKB Sharp re-entry opportunity also. Now I'm at resistance already lah. Okay. So okay, SKB Sharp, last one before we end our section. Okay, now here looks like lots of hammer. So S1, okay, 90 cents. S1 is a good area to watch out, which means this is your potential support. Okay, so with this, once again, thank you for joining me in this section over here. So once again, if you like my sections, as always, help me to click the like buttons, help me to share this out. If can, go to my Google XIFU page, give me a 5-star ratings. Okay, help me to continue to build the community so that we can serve you better, right? So with this, thank you. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay. Hey, Binapuri come out. Hey, Binapuri go shake up. Okay, Binapuri go shake up. Okay, thank you, and I'll see you tomorrow.